Okay, so this one, Val.
Okay, Anna.
Yeah, so
Uh,
sorry today, Val. My camera is not working properly.
yes, no worries.
So here in day 11, we are talking about clothing.
Okay.
Yes. So, Val, these are the vocabulary words for clothing. Please read.
This is skirts, blues. Oh, yeah.
Please read, Val. Dress.
Yes, I know, skirt. Blues, is blues that or blouse?
Blouse. Blouse.
High heels, yes, I know. Sandals, gloves, pajamas, trousers, sweater. I know those
Okay, it's
words.
trousers. Pajama.
Trousers.
Trousers. Sweater. That's pajama.
Okay.
Okay. Are you familiar with those words?
Yes, those are those words. I know.
Here, as you can see in the pictures, there are many dress or clothing. What clothing preferences do you wear when you will go to school?
For the school, jeans. I prefer just jeans or sweatpants. Um, what more? Polo shirt or
All
t-shirt.
shirt. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
those are preferred.
The best dressed attire.
Those are more comfortable.
Yes, more comfortable for you.
So,
We have here.
yes. Then we're wearing today.
What are you wearing today?
Yeah, okay. I'm wearing today leggings. Do you know leggings?
Yeah.
Like um
Leggings. Yeah, I know leggings. Yeah, I know. It's a
yeah,
fitting jeans. Soft
exactly,
cloth. Soft
leggings
cloth.
like a skinny pants.
Yeah, yeah.
I have a t-shirt inside and I have my sweater.
Yeah, I
And
understand.
about the shoes, for now I use my sandals and yeah, no more.
Now, do you like sweaters?
Yes, I like sweaters. I like use sweaters.
Next, do you like
Do you like
wearing
wearing
jeans
jeans
summer?
in the summer? Um, yes, I like to use jeans, but I think short jeans or shorts or skirts. Yeah, I
Okay,
prefer
so better,
shorts.
yeah, prefer shirts. How about swimsuit? Have you tried to wear swimsuit?
What? Skin?
Okay, how about swimsuit? Have you tried to wear swimsuit for summer?
No, 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 no. I've never tried.
Next is, what are your favorite clothes?
My favorite clothes are sweaters, jeans, about the shoes, sneakers, and skirts. I like skirts, but I cannot use skirts here all the time.
Mhm, yes, yes.
I love
So,
I love to use my socks, but long socks.
socks. You like to wear socks?
Yeah, socks with a short skirt.
Okay, yes, yes. So this is your favorite clothes. Okay, what are your favorite clothes? You said you love jeans and t-shirts only?
Yes, the shirts. Yes.
Okay, so how about wearing a hoodie jacket? Do you like it?
How did you have to use a hoodie jacket? This
Yeah.
is a, this is like a hoodie jacket.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. So you have to
Mhm.
put hood in the head. Hoodie.
Exactly. Oh yeah, yeah. So these don't have a like a cap, but I have.
So here these are the different words. Okay, I mean different clothes attire as you can see. Okay, if you will go to the party, Valerie, what do you think the dress that you were going to wear?
Okay. Oh, for me, skirts and jeans for a party.
So we have here two people. Okay. So have we
Okay.
tried this? Not yet. Okay. So
No, no, no yet.
okay, so do we have two people? They are talking about clothing. Okay, please listen.
Do you like this blouse?
Yes, that blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do.
You look like a movie star. Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob. Bob!
What?
What about these sweaters?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, so have you hear, Valerie? Have you hear what they're
Yes.
talking about? Okay, what do you think they're
Yes, I
talking about?
hear. Okay. She asked for them, and do you like this skirt? The different clothes, sweaters, and there one of them said, "Okay, I like this skirt," but the other person put more emphasis in the words, and he said, "I really like." The other person, I suppose, is a I don't know, friend or boyfriend. He don't pay attention of her for her, and the final, she's she realized that he don't pay attention, and she decided to turn off the TV and then ask again about the how about the sweaters that she has at the time.
Okay, so of course, generally, they're talking about clothing. Okay, so you can see that okay, the girl or Bob and Paul is trying to compare Cheryl to the Hollywood. Okay, let me see. Wait. Okay, so compared to the Hollywood. Whose Hollywood they were being compared? Okay, did you hear that? Whose Hollywood being compared in the picture?
Okay.
Eh,
What? Okay. Yeah.
Now, wait,
Those what
ha,
you like.
number 6. Okay. So we have here. So
Yeah.
again, the two boys, they're talking about Hollywood. And this Hollywood, the two girls. I know the girl also. So does Bob like the blouse in the video?
Yes. No. Yes. 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 He likes.
Okay. What does Bob think about the skirt?
About the skirt, he said he likes to. But
Okay,
she
two.
don't she yeah she
She
don't
doesn't, she doesn't, she
oh yeah,
doesn't.
she doesn't show the skirt. She doesn't. She only show the like a box store.
Mm, 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 mm. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. And who think the blouse is beautiful?
Uh, yeah, and the other person, the Paul.
Okay, so now, so what do Bob and Paul think about the shoes?
The shoes. Mm, those shoes are beautiful. Really, really good. Really, really good.
Wait, what do Bob? Okay, who looks like a movie star?
Um, eh, he's in a name about the I don't remember the name, but this she's a star of Hollywood star.
Okay, so
Mm,
Julia Roberts is famous. Do you know her?
Roberts. Yes, 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 I know Julia Roberts. Yes, she is.
Is famous. Famous
Yeah,
Hollywood
she's famous.
star. Okay, she's actually
Uh-huh.
famous Hollywood star. Okay. Do you think that men were honest in their opinions? I will ask you. Val, do you think
No,
men were honest in their opinions?
I think they're done. Okay, is there doesn't or they don't? And
Okay, do you think that
I ask
based
you.
on the picture, based on the pictures, you can see that they say yes, yes, yes. Okay, so
Uh-huh.
that's their
I
opinion.
understand. I
Okay,
understand.
but
I
do you think
but
men
my
were
question
honest?
my question is a correct way to say they're done or there doesn't?
They don't. They don't
Okay, yeah.
because
They d-
plural.
they don't be honest with her because they are look at the TV all the time and they don't show the clothes that she show.
Okay, so they don't, they are not, or they were not honest with their opinions. They were not honest with their opinion because actually they didn't saw Carol wearing the dress. Okay, so they were not honest. Okay. Or you can say also, Val, they don't have an honest opinion. They don't have an honest opinion.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about Val? Okay, so do you think, Val, Men, in general, not here. So do you think men were honest in their opinions, of all their opinions? Do you think they were honest with their opinions?
No, no, they weren't honest.
Okay, so why?
In my
Okay,
opinion,
in general, not looking at the video. So in general, what do you think?
oh, in general, for the men, sometimes, not in generally, but sometimes there are a group of men, and they're only interest for the maybe for those clothes look
Mm-hmm.
um, comfortable and no beautiful, and for the woman is different. When we choose the clothes, we take in count the how looks or maybe is comfortable or no, with what will be my outfit for the
Mm.
next day with these clothes. Yeah, but for the men, no. For the men only, they said, oh, okay, it's okay, but I think they weren't honest. They're not honest.
Okay, so actually, as what you have said in the pictures, it is really the men were honest. But in general, we don't know. We don't know if men were honest with their opinions in general aspect. Like when we ask the men, okay, so uh, how do you think the girls? Okay, so how do you think what you will say with my own attire. Example, you ask the man. Okay, the men sometimes say yes. Okay, and sometimes say no. So we cannot, what do you call it one? We cannot understand really if they are talking of they are saying true or if their opinions file is real. Okay, so we don't, I don't know. How about your boyfriend will gonna tell you? Okay, so your boyfriend is a man. So what do you think? Do you think he has an honest opinion with you? If you ask, oh, look at me. Am I beautiful? Am I pretty? Do you think he is telling a truth? Do you think that? It depends
Yes,
on?
yes, yes. Anne, give me
Mm.
a minute. So I only need to go outside. Only
Okay,
one
yes,
minute,
yes.
please.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sorry.
It's
I'm
okay.
here again. Okay, so can you repeat me the last part, please?
Okay, okay. The one I asked. Okay, so the same questions. Okay, so
Oh, yeah.
yeah, so the same questions as what I told you. Example, your boyfriend will gonna tell you, "Oh, you're looking good," like that. So example, you will ask your boyfriend, "So how am I today? Do I look great?" Okay, so and of course your boyfriend will gonna say, "Oh yes, you look great," like that. So do you think he is telling an honest opinion?
Um, yes, yes. He is honest. I tell you because I asked
Mm-hmm.
before, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and he's honest. When I'm not look good, he said, "No, you don't look good with maybe with this skirt or this sweater." Yeah, and then I realized and I said, oh yeah, probably. Or there are other times and I said, no, I look good. Maybe you are wrong. But he's honest.
Okay, that's good. Okay, at least. So he is honest. We can also vouch, or we can also say that if the boy or if the man is telling an honest opinion or no, right? We can measure that and we can see that one through his eyes. Okay, so you have here answers. Do you often try clothes on when shopping?
Oh, do you often try clothes? Yeah, no, much.
Oh, so
No much.
how do you buy the clothes, Val?
What frequency?
Yeah, in
How
general.
frequency?
Yeah, how do you buy the
Um,
clothes?
yeah.
If you oh my God,
So I
it's
think
nice.
well, no, I don't have a specific time for buy clothes, but probably I go to the mall and I see one t-shirt and I like. Probably I buy, but sometimes I prefer no enter to the mall because I there are a lot of beautiful clothes and I would like to buy everything, but I cannot. So maybe each 4 months.
Mm-mm.
Yes,
It's been a month
so
already.
when
Okay.
I need. Yeah, for example, for now I don't need, and it's, it's good
Ah,
for me.
okay. So example, you don't need to buy clothes, so you will not go there.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you wear to birthday party? Example, you're invited to a birthday party. What will you gonna wear?
Yeah, I will. Okay, I wear. Here is very common. Maybe jeans with high heels. Sometimes, yeah,
Mm-mm, yeah.
yeah,
Okay, so they wear,
but
yeah, do you wear
yeah,
that?
and
A jeans with high heels.
exactly, yes, jeans and maybe a blouse
Mm,
with jeans or a skirt with heels. And
okay.
I would like to have a party and celebrate my birthday party with mask with mask. I don't know what is that.
Okay.
Let me translate.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh yeah, I would like to have a custom party like a Halloween. Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
I
So,
would
okay.
like.
So like Halloween, they are actually using a very fancy clothes when they go in the party. Okay.
Very
So do
very
you
fancy.
often get dressed when going out?
Mm, no, no. So yeah, I think one one time
Mm-hmm.
per month per
Mm.
month. It depends if I need to go outside with my family or with my friends or a party. But I don't go to a parties and I don't go to my friends. So it's only with my family, and I like to use for now. I like to use more comfortable clothes.
Okay. So of course, when we go outside, of course, some of us, like it's still 12 noon. I will go outside for a lunch. Okay, of course, we're gonna get dressed. But sometimes, example, it's already 9 p.m. and you want to drink coffee. You will go to the open coffee shop. So probably you or your friend or your sisters will going there. Of course, maybe you will gonna be there with pajama. It's really up to you. Okay. So as long as how you feel comfortable. Okay, maybe you will gonna go there wearing the the shorts or t-shirts. It's really up to us. For me, that's my opinion also. Because usually when I go outside, I would just wear like jeans, okay, or dress like that. Simple dress only.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's the same. Jeans or simple dress.
I like to wear um, dress, often the
Yeah.
simple one than wearing jeans, the very thick jeans, because as you know that today in my country, the weather is very hot. So it is better to wear something light and something not heavy. Okay? So
Oh
what
yeah,
do
yeah.
Vietnamese
Okay.
people often wear to funeral? Example, Ecuador people, people in the Ecuador. What do they wear to a funeral?
People, the people of here, they okay. So when we are in the funeral, we always use black cloths. Always. If you use another clothes, maybe red or green and blue, now I think now is acceptable. The
Mm,
most, the better is dark colors, but the common is black color black.
okay. Okay. So in my country also, if you are member of the family, example, immediate family, and then one of the member of your immediate family died, so all the people or all the clan family members were gonna wear white. Okay. And there's a little pin. There's a little pin on the right side. Okay, all white and a little pin on the outside. Okay, but actually, they can also wear black. It's really up to them. But the most common val is white. They're wearing white. Okay,
Huh? You,
okay.
it's common when there are married, yeah.
Married?
The
What do you mean?
matrimonio. Let me see.
Ah, yeah, matrimonial, married. Yeah.
Marriage. Yeah, the people sometimes wear white clothes, especially in the beach. There.
Yes, this
But
even my
funeral is always black.
yeah, this even in my country, they're wearing mostly white and black. Actually, mix white and black.
Okay.
Okay, so here, wow, have you ever lost self-confidence because of the clothes that you are wearing?
What means self-confidence because of the clothes that you're wearing? Let me see. Lost self-confidence. Okay. Perdido la confianza. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, a lot of times. But it was before. For now, no. I remember when I started to
Mm-mm.
dress with okay, when I start to wear dress in the university before, I thought, no, I'm very thin. Yeah, thin. And probably now is a good idea, maybe show um my legs, yeah. I don't know why, but I don't like my legs. And then I start to use dress, but always with long socks. Yes. Maybe transparent socks or dark socks, but always I use socks. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it
Okay.
was the time when I lost self confidence because probably about my body not looks very voluptuous. Yeah, no, maybe not like glass. Yeah, I'm very thin, and I think it was the reason.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, so sometimes the question is, have you ever lost self-confidence because of the clothes you're wearing that you are wearing? Okay, somehow, Val, this is true. Okay, so example, you're applying for a job, and then in the job interview, there are 10 applicants. Okay, so as you can see yourself, okay, you think you are okay, so you're doing great with your fashions, and then but then somehow there are also people who really lost their self-confidence. Okay, so they cannot focus because what they're wearing, like Oh my God, I am not wearing the white background. Okay. I should start my answer, or I should start my speech like this. Okay, so you feel really you lost self-confidence. Do you know self-confidence, Val?
Self-confidence,
Do
yes.
you know these words?
Yeah, for now, I translate.
Yeah, you try. Okay, self-confidence. Okay, so it means you have confident, you are well, or you're confidently beautiful. Okay, so you think that you are confidently beautiful and you love yourself. But somehow we lost the self-confidence, as what I told you. Okay, because of the clothes that you are wearing. Oh my God, my clothes is just only 100 from pre-love. Okay, but then my other applicants are wearing the most expensive dress. Okay, so like that. Okay, so sometimes we lost self-confidence. Okay, so Val, I have
Sometimes.
questions. Have you ever been to the party?
What?
Have you ever been to the party in which you celebrated?
Yes, yes. I've been.
Mm-hmm. You've been to house, or so you've been to particular place where you think you lost your confidence. Have you tried it during your university days?
Okay, maybe I think in the when I had a party. No, no, yeah, party. It was with my classmates before.
Mm.
Yeah, I feel the self-confidence. No, I lost my self-confidence.
You lost your self-confidence because of what you were wearing. Okay, maybe. Okay.
I use a not properly dress, proper dress.
Mm. Next one. Val. Is your fashion style, Val, different from 5 years ago? Okay.
Yeah, the final. Yeah, I told you I liked I okay before
Mm.
I like to use all the time skirts with my long socks, but for now no, I have my skirts, but I don't use more. The first is for I need to be more comfortable here. I'm a person very cold, and always I have a cold. And yeah, I think the fashion style change with the time. Um, for now, I and yeah, so and before about my work, I need to use more about the mountainer clothes. Yeah, I use more this now. I use more leggings, warm leggings. I use more sweaters. Yeah, it's my fashion style for now.
Yeah, that's your fashion style for now. I know you're a very simple woman. Okay, so
Oh,
you're
oh,
very simple.
oh, Anne, give me a moment, please. I
Okay,
need
yeah,
to
yeah.
answer a
Yes,
call.
yes, Val. It's okay, Val. Okay. Okay, are you in, Val? Okay, so somehow, is your
Okay,
fashion
yeah.
style different from 5 years ago, Val? Please answer again. Sorry. Is it different from 5 years ago now? So now your fashion is just jeans. You like jeans. Very simple girl. So 5 years ago, is it different? Or was it different or the same?
Different. It's
Different.
totally different.
Mm.
By the
Like
way,
yeah.
Genre, telling me right now, about this class. I don't know. Maybe he already paid you.
No, not yet.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. He
Yeah,
said
it's okay, no
he
problem.
yeah, he are going to pay you later because he now is
Yeah, it's okay, no
traveling
problem,
right
Val.
now.
Oh, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, I already tell January. No, it's okay. It's really okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So different. I know you're a very simple girl. Okay. So 5 years
Yes.
ago, 5 years ago. So how was
Well,
your
so
style? Looks like.
yeah, I remember. Okay, so before I was very what is the word? Let me see. Ah, come on. Yeah, I used to be very vain.
Mm-mm.
I I like to use my earrings, big earrings, not really big. It looks good, but
Mm-mm.
I look, yeah, about the clothes, yeah. But it's strange because I like, I have a little business and I like to create earrings, yeah. And I
Mm-mm.
have earrings. I sell earrings, but I don't use earrings.
Okay,
I don't use. I don't
now.
know why. Yeah.
Okay.
And for now it's different. For now I only use sweaters and very simple.
Okay. Yes, yeah. Okay, I understand that. So actually, style changes. Okay. So how about the way you wear? Like the shoes? Is it still rubber shoes or what?
Mm, I think those are sneakers. I like to use sneakers.
Sneakers,
About
yes.
the mountainer sneakers. Mm-hmm. Mountainer
Yes.
for the mountain. For
Mm.
those
Okay.
are very comfortable. Even if you walk in the city, those are very comfortable.
Okay, I
I use more of
understand.
this.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, so sneaker is more comfortable. Okay, how about jeans? Jeans, you love jeans. Trousers, do you know
Oh yeah,
trousers?
yeah. I use trousers. I have one. I think one. Yes. To
Mm.
use those are yeah, it's very comfortable. But sometimes I prefer use jeans. If I go outside, I like to use jeans. If
Mm-hmm.
I spend my time here in my house, only leggings or trousers.
Okay. Okay, so how about with I don't know, Val, sorry. What is your religion, Val? Are you Catholic or
Uh,
what?
None. I don't have
That,
religion. But I
yes, yes, yeah.
studied before. Yeah, I studied before in the college. My college was very religious, Catholic.
Mm-mm-mm. A
For
Catholic.
now, no, so it's a long time that I don't believe in God. I don't have
Okay,
religion.
so mostly in Ecuador, Val, what is the religion that people embrace?
Oh, Catholic. Yeah,
Catholic.
Catholic.
Many Catholic.
The, I think that 90% those are Catholic. And we have, I don't know what's the name, but the old people walk around days or yeah, days for a virgin, for pray to the virgin.
Okay, I understand. I understand, Val. Okay, I
Mhm.
understand.
So it's
Okay.
Catholic.
Yes, Catholic. Okay, so now describe what you're wearing now and your favorite clothes. See, from 5 years ago up until now.
Mm, okay,
Uh,
five
si-
and seven sentences.
Okay.
Describe what you're wearing now and your favorite clothes. Okay. For now, I'm wearing a sweater. This sweater I like. Principal fact in this sweater is I like the color. This is my favorite color.
Mm,
Red wine. Um, about for complement my outfit, I have a very comfortable leggings. These leggings are very warm. Also, no, too very warm too.
mm,
And yeah, I have for be more comfortable.
mm,
I use my sandals.
Mm-hmm.
and with it's strange, but I use with socks because I'm cold right now. About the I don't use accessories or maybe necklace or bracelet because I'm I'm here in my house. I use one bracelet that I
Mm-hmm.
always use this one because
Mm-hmm.
the each year I change, but I have this for I'm going to have this for the rest of my life because it's, it's an animal, a little animal here, and represent how is my. It's like okay, it's a Chinese calendar, yeah, and I
Yes, yes,
believe
yes.
in this, yeah, and I believe in this, and it is this animal represent me about when in what year I born.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yes,
think
yes.
that's
Yeah,
all.
zodiac sign. Are you familiar with zodiac sign?
No, 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 no,
Like
but
Aries, Aries. What are the other? You try to search zodiac sign. I don't know if you have zodiac sign like in my country.
oh yeah, no, no. So I only read about this, but yeah, I start to believe in this, and I like.
Okay. So anyway, your clothes actually, I like when we were teenager, really loved to wear jeans like that. So after 5 years, after 10 years, our preferences changes, right? You change, and we don't know why. Our own fashion, we change well. Okay, we change our own fashions, and we don't know why. Okay, maybe because as we grow older, and there our thinking will become mature. Okay, I don't know about that. Okay. Okay, so now let us have another lesson, Val. Okay, wait me for a while.
I'm going to put my laptop here, so I need to turn off the camera, but I'm here, okay?
Okay,
Uh,
yes, yes, yes.
yeah. So it's my time to about my first meal for today, and I prepared something and very, very, very fast.
Okay, so are you with me, Val?
Yes.
Okay, can you
Yes.
say one?
Okay. Make three sentences with the following words.
Okay, our
Um,
topic, wait, Val, this is not our topic, sorry.
okay.
7, we are now in dating. We're then staying modern, dating. Okay, so we are now here. Okay, can you see this one?
Yes, I can see.
Mm-hmm, yes. Okay. So while we are talking here about romances, okay, if you were gonna look at the people here, are the two persons. So what do you think they're doing?
Oh, we already
Oh,
worked
we're
with
done with
this.
this?
Yes, I remember.
Okay. Okay, let us have this one next. Okay, this one. Okay, so let us talk about sports you have tried.
Oh, yeah. This is new.
Hmm?
What are sports I tried before?
Yeah, what are the different sports that you have tried before?
Okay, so I used to practice tennis.
Hmm.
Tennis is the pronunciation tennis.
Okay, so what do you think are your favorite sports or the sports that you have tried before?
I don't understand. So about the sports.
No, no, yeah, in general, not in this one. We're talking about sports. So I'm asking you about the sports that you have tried.
Mm, in my opinion, I think that when you practice the sports, especially maybe in the outdoors, it's good for your health. Yeah, and my I used to practice tennis.
Mm-mm. Okay. So do you have like how many sports you have tried? Or this one, as you can see,
Uh,
Val, these are dangerous sports, right? Risky sport.
yeah, those are dangerous. Yes, those are dangerous.
Hmm. Okay, what
I
do you
think
like
that
to try
bungee,
this? Or have you tried
I
this?
love, I love, and yes, I tried this before. I tried this. Okay, the bungee skydiving. No, bungee jumping. Yes.
Yeah. Skydiving, have you tried?
Yeah, I was very scared when I practiced the bungee jumping.
Okay, yes. Okay, now, so what is more dangerous? Okay, so from what being mentioned, Val, what is cooler? I don't know. Cooler is okay. Skydiving or bungee jumping? Which do you think is the more dangerous for you?
The most okay, color is dangerous.
Okay. What is cooler? Skydiving, or I didn't know this kind of sports.
Yeah. Okay. So I think it's skydiving. Yeah, skydiving.
Okay, skydiving. Okay, so maybe
Yes.
it is skydiving.
Yes, skydiving. Why? Because you if you don't have um a perfect equipment
Mm-hmm.
or yeah, okay, so not only the perfect equipment about the weather at the time. Yeah, if
Mm.
the weather now is good, uh, I'm sure we are going to die.
Eh,
I
haha.
think this.
Yeah, of course, of course. Yeah, I can see. I try to look at the pictures. Yeah, it's very, Val, I cannot do this. It's very hard. And for me, oh my God, I am so scared of height. How about you?
No, I'm scared. I would like to do it someday, but yes, I'm scared too. But it's time in my life. No practice all the time. No, if I did no if I do it one time,
Mm-hmm.
uh, it will be good for me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it may be. It may be. It really depends on your guts. It depends on your
Exactly.
guts. Yeah. If you are so gutsy, of course you are gonna do it. But of course, me, I don't like to do it, Val. Okay, Val, we have vocabulary or talking about sports. Okay, first, hammer.
hammer,
Mm, hammer. There are there are a
Mhm.
store here near by my house, and the name is Hammer Shop. Hammer. I don't know. I don't know what mean.
Like this. Okay, this hammer.
Oh, yeah, like a tool.
Yeah, tool for carpentry.
Okay.
The next one, this bungee jumping.
bungee jumping,
The bungee jumping. This one. Oh my God, Val.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Oh,
God, I
it's
cannot
a high
imagine.
altitude.
Yes, yes, correct, Val. Okay, so next one, Val. We have the word jet skiing.
Jet skiing.
Okay.
It is?
Yes, I know. Isn't the ice, right? Isn't the ice is a sport when you practice in the ice, like a ski?
Hmm?
But you
Yes,
have a you
yeah.
have a I
I
think.
am.
Oh no, it's in the ice. Sorry,
Yeah,
it's
these
like with jet.
pictures. Oh my God, jet skiing. Okay, next one, hockey.
Okay, I
You
know it's a
familiar?
sport, like a golf, but it's more hard.
Okay. Hmm.
Those and with a lot
Hockery.
of yeah, it's in the ice.
In the it's this one, the hockery is in the ice hockey. How can I say this? Ice hockey. What's so amazing? In my country, we don't have do this, or we don't have this kind
No,
of. Okay, how
we
about in
don't
your
have to.
country? Of course,
No,
no,
we don't
because
have to.
we don't. You don't have snow.
Yes, we don't have snow here. So Ecuador is a small is a small country.
Okay, yes, okay. So I know that you don't have like Philippines because we don't have ice. Huh? Hike. Do you know the word hike?
Yeah. I
One.
practice this all the time.
You do this, right? Because you are a very sporty girl. Okay, next.
I like hiking, trekking.
Any sports. Okay, helmet.
Hmm. No, it's like a cap that you use in your head.
When
Yes.
you ride a motorcycle, this one.
Hmm. I'll tell you this because in the agency when I worked before about tourism, I used to clean all the equipment about the mountaineering, and the tourists they use helmet, boots, a proper equipment for go to a mountain. Yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
I know what means helmet.
Yes. Next one, we have hang gliding. Oh, I'm not familiar with this.
Oh
Hang
no, no, no,
gliding
no.
is like
You
this.
left me.
This one. Oh my God. Another like jumping, bungee jumping. Okay, hang gliding. Okay. So do you think you can do it, Val?
No. Yeah, one time
Okay, so you
I
have
will like.
tried.
I,
Yes.
I think I suppose in Philippines there are a lot of people and they practice hang gliding, right? Or no?
Okay. It's so dangerous. Okay. So maybe, yeah, you really need to have equipment.
In Philippines, there the people practice this sport.
No, no, it's only rare, Val. Really, Val. Rare.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. So we have, I saw there, we have skydiving. Okay, but it's
Mm-hmm.
not that too, what they call it, too deep and too high. Okay. So
Okay.
here, now we have hang gliding. My God. Look at that one. So scary. So scary, Val. Okay, give up. What do you mean by the word give up?
Give up.
Give up. Oh my God. Tell me this. And give up is a phrasal verb.
Again, Val, again. Come again.
Okay. So tell me this. Give up is a phrasal verb. Phrasal. Yeah, phrasal verb.
Oh, yeah. Crystal verb. Yes.
Yeah, I have a lot of confusion about the phrasal verb. I don't know what
Mm.
mean give up.
Okay, give up.
Give up is like wake up, no?
No, 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 no. Get up. Wake up. Get up. Give up. It means cease making an effort. You admit defeat. Like I give up already. Oh, I cannot do it anymore. I give up. Or like that.
Oh, yeah,
Like
okay.
you'll say,
Give
oh my
up.
God, I give up already from our lessons because I feel very tired. Okay, I give up. It means you stop. You don't like it anymore. like that. You give up. Okay, you understand, Val?
Yes, I understand, but then there are okay. So I need to use this give up for one situation or have another means.
Okay, so what I am explaining to you is the give up. Okay, I give up already because I cannot do it anymore. So based on the meaning, so surrender. You cease making an effort. You admit the defeat. Okay, like you give up. Okay, so you don't need, okay, just like the same. I guess, yeah, the
Hello.
same word, forget, give up. I give up, I surrender, I didn't like it anymore, just the same. Okay, so I give up my job. Okay, so it means you stop from your job. Okay, like that. So that's give up.
It's like
Okay.
a maybe continue. It's like a continue.
No, 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 no. Stop. Give up, it means you stop.
Okay, okay, okay.
Continue, it means you pursue your dream.
Oh yeah. I'm confused about with get up.
Mm-mm.
I'm confused with get up. But okay, okay. Yeah,
Give up.
understood.
Okay, you understand.
Yes.
Okay, gate, course. We see gate in the houses, in the establishment, in the school. Next one, fencing.
Fencing.
Fencing. No. No, it's like a fence, right? And? And?
Next is fencing. Do you know the word fence?
Yeah, so can you hear me properly when I talk? Maybe the connection noise no go fast.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
well,
Yeah, it's a sport.
sometimes I hear that you are quite far.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
because I'm talking, and yeah, I think it's a connection.
Yeah, it's okay.
Fencing,
It's okay, Val.
I didn't know what means, but for now it's a sport. This is a sport.
Yeah, yeah, fencing. Fencing is sport. Okay, according to my to Filipino, fencing is sports for rich people. These are sports for
Oh
the
yeah.
rich people. Fencing. Okay, sword play, I do not the sports of fighting with swords like this. It's very dangerous too. Okay, encourage.
Yeah,
Do you know
very
the word encourage?
Encourage.
flourish. No. I hear this word, but I don't know what it means. Encourage. Maybe take advantage of something. No.
Okay, encourage, it means you will gonna, okay, this one, Val.
Discourage, motivate, encourage.
Okay,
Oh,
you
yeah.
inspire
Yeah, okay.
to make someone more
Encourage.
likely to do something or to make something more likely to happen. You inspire. Okay, you can do it. Okay, so like that. So you encourage. Okay. Okay, like you will say, Val, you can do it, Val. Okay, go. I know you can do it. Trust yourself. That is encourage. Okay? When you say
Motivation.
discourage, it's opposite. Discourage.
Oh, oh yeah.
Hmm. You understand now, Val?
Mhm. Yes, I understand. And about encourage is a noun or a verb?
Okay. Please encourage. Okay. So that's a verb.
Verb.
So, but
Okay,
when
verb.
you say encouragement, that's noun.
Oh yeah. Elbow pads. Let me see. Elbow is of the body in the arm, right?
Yes, yes,
It's like
yes.
a yeah, it's like a little maybe a pad, but it's for put yes. Sorry,
Mm-mm.
it's for putting your elbow.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So it is actually we call it, Val, as protective pads. Protective pads. Protective pads.
Take word.
Yeah, it is what we call protective pads.
Okay.
Okay, next one we have championship.
Championship. It's like tournament. Yeah, no,
Yeah,
a
yeah.
game, maybe a game.
Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, tournament. Very good, tournament. Just like a
Oh,
game. Okay, another one, Val, we have the word auto racing.
oh yeah. And it's with cars. Race with cars in the race. Competition of cars.
Like
Well,
auto racing. I will show, huh? Okay, that one. Okay, car racing, like car racing. Looks like car
yes.
racing. Have you seen this in personal, Val? Or not yet?
Yes, I saw in the okay, my brother likes to see in the TV. But here we have a little auto racing. Yeah, no, it's maybe a tournament or very big in a very big place. No,
Yes, mostly rich
but
people. Rich people do this.
yes.
Okay, this one, archery.
Archery.
Archery. No. I don't know what it means. Archery, no.
Okay, this one. That one, Val. Okay,
Oh,
so
yeah. Arco. Yeah.
do you
It's a
like?
sport.
It's yeah, sports. Do you like to try this one?
I would like to try. Yeah.
Okay, so why Val?
Mm, I think it is good for have more let me see this
Client,
word.
a client,
Yes, exactly. Yes.
client.
And more concentration. Yeah, it's interesting.
Okay, so we have So we are done, Val, with all the lessons, with all the topic, vocabulary under sports, you have tried. So as we can see in the sports, we are talking, or in the words, it talks about, mostly about the sports, okay?
Okay.
Val, let us have to do discussion. Okay.
Okay.
Val, wait me for a minute, I will just go to the bathroom.
Okay. Go on.
Can you hear me? Please, I will just go to the bathroom.
Hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Go on.
Mm. Val, are you with me? Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear you.
Okay, now. Okay. So do you like stream sports?
Yes, I like extreme sports.
Okay, wow. Okay. Now, are the precautions in extreme sports justified? Is it true? All the
Uh,
precautions?
yes, because when you try to practice extreme sports, you know how is what is the danger, yeah. You know, probably you are going to die, or maybe the equipment no is proper, but it's necessary have a good equipment, and the precautions is justified, but no, I think not always. not only the what how I need to pronounce precautions.
Okay, precautions, like
Yeah,
precautions.
the precautions not always is justified. Yeah, you need to
Ah,
have good equipment and a good instructor.
but of course, Val, or I guess if you are a coach instructor, if you are coaches, example from this job, or I mean from these sports, so you really need to know everything about sports that you have entered to. That's very important, the precautions, especially if extreme sports, okay, is really the I mean the sports that your child, your son, daughter is playing. It's very important. Okay.
Very.
So how often do you go hiking, Val?
Oh, I used to go hiking per week.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I 1 or 2 times per week. But for now, no. So I spend I walk. Okay, so I'm walking more in the street. I think this is my like a hiking because it's a city. Yeah, in my job before, I had a lot of mountains. In the way is a good place for hiking. But for now, I'm only walking and work out in my house.
Yeah, yes, yes, I understand. Okay. So now, do you consider auto racing is a sport or a fancy? What do you think about this, Val?
Outdoor racing is fancy. Yeah, I think it's a fancy. I consider this is a sport when you move your body. Yeah, but in the outdoor racing, no, the car is moving. No, no, the person. It's like a ajedrez. Do you know ajedrez? Ajedrez?
Mm.
Huh?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So,
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I asking you. Do you know ajedrez?
no, no, I'm not familiar. What is that? What is it looks like?
Ajedrez is a sport when you have a little pieces. It's like a sport, but for me, no, it's a sport. Maybe it's a hobby or fancy,
Mm.
and it's for be more smart.
Ah,
When you have when you have a partner and it is contrincante.
what is that?
Yeah,
In
and yeah, okay, so you move the pieces in that table.
okay, yes.
This is the sport ajedrez.
Ah, okay.
You
It's
don't
new
know?
to me. It's new to me. New. Oh,
Oh.
okay. So it's new to me. Okay, here, number five, Val. Val, do you think, Val, the world championship is do you think a world championship is a worth sport event or just a business project? What do you think?
I think it's a business project.
Mm,
Yeah.
why? Can you defend your answer?
Because um because the especially the administration about those world championship, they're
Mm,
only interest for and get money. Yeah, the those are a company, and those need only money for have more championship in per year. I think is yeah. I think this it will be a sport event. There maybe they don't interest in get money or their help for another organization uh, for organize more events about the sport. But the world championship there bring a famous person, singer person for be part about this championship. Yeah, I think in my opinion, it's a business project.
Next one. Mm, wala.
Okay, have you ever given up doing any sport? Why?
Mm. Have you ever given up doing any sports? Why? Okay, example, Val. When you were just a kid, what is your most favorite sports? Dancing?
Tennis.
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 Oh, you
Yeah,
play
tennis.
tennis?
I played tennis before. No,
Okay.
now.
Not
Yeah,
now.
but I
Not,
love tennis.
Val, you will say not now. Not no now. Okay, not now.
Oh, it's not no now or
Oh,
not
no, no,
now.
no. Uh, yeah, it's not good. It's not nice to say no now. It should be not now.
Oh, okay, not now.
Yeah, correct, correct. Okay. Now,
Not now. Okay, okay.
yeah,
Sorry.
not now. How would you ever given up? Okay, this one. Have you ever given up doing any sports? You like tennis. Why you give up tennis?
Because I had my injury in my knee.
Okay. So that's
Yeah,
valid.
so yeah, the tennis is a impact sport. Hard sport because you need to run side to side, and it's most impact in my knee when I stop. Okay, and yeah, I stopped. I give up to play tennis because I need to take care more about my knee.
Okay, yeah, it could be. So I know. But tennis is quite expensive sport. That's also expensive sports in my country. Okay, badminton, tennis, they are
Is
considered as
Yeah, yeah,
expensive.
yeah.
Yeah, expensive.
It is, but I have one. Okay, so I have one or two rackets. Yeah, and here you can find places and you can play tennis.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe you only need a racket, no more. Yeah, a racket
Okay.
around 150 or dollars.
Okay, so yes. Next one. Okay. How would you encourage your friend to start training? How you encourage? You say, oh, you can do that. How? How would
Okay,
you
so
encourage? How? Bala, how? How would you encourage your friend to start training?
okay, give me a moment, please. Hello, hello.
Okay, yes,
¿Qué
Val.
pasó?
Yeah, Val.
Yeah, yeah,
Val,
yeah.
can you hear
Okay,
me?
give me a moment, please. Yeah, give
Yes,
me a
it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Mm-mm-mm.
Sorry, Anne. Was
Yeah,
my
it's okay, it's okay.
my
Okay.
sister.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
it's
you
okay.
said, yeah, I understand. How would you encourage your friend to start training?
How would you do it, Val?
Yeah. Hmm. Give for my friend more tips for start training. Give me okay, for example, give him or her an examples that maybe the person was not unhealthy before, and when the person start to have a good health, a good training, he becomes better. Yeah, I think give it an example, or maybe invite for run, maybe invite for go hiking. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So it is really up to you. It is really up to you on how you are going to convince your friend, okay, from start or to start training, example, badminton. Okay, I guess I believe about that all sports has a training to do. Okay. It's very important.
Yeah, very important.
You have to start training, of course. Do you wear helmet while cycling?
Yes, always, always. And
Mm.
especially in the in the hard mountain or in the city.
Mm-mm.
Because in the
Okay.
city, probably you are not going to fail, but if there are an accident between two cars, you probably are the third person that maybe has a pain in your head.
Yes, yeah. Okay. So helmet is very important, especially for motorcycle. Okay, motorcycle is a sensitive way of communications. Okay, or I mean for transportation, so it's very hard. So
It's very
helmet is nice. Okay. So in your
okay.
country, do you have what do you call that one? Do you have a lot of what do you have a lot of motorcycle or motorbike?
No, no, I don't have.
Oh, really?
For me, so no, I don't have. And I see in Bohol the people use a lot of motorbike, right?
Yes, yes, one. Oh,
No,
yes.
I don't have. I need to confess this. I'm scared about the motorcycle. I don't
Mm-hmm.
like.
Yeah, okay. Sometimes while, okay, way back before, I also tried always motorcycle, but now it's different. I am so scared to ride a motorcycle because at the moment you slip from a rock or stones, big rock. So that's the moment also that you will become okay. So
What car? Can you drive a car?
yeah, yeah, I can. I can drive a car. Okay, I can. Car is quite easy. Okay, it's not that quite dangerous. Only you have to observe the proper distance. Okay, distancing.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
How about you? Do you know how to drive a car?
Uh, I start. I told you, maybe told you I start
Yes, yeah.
to drive a car to learn. Yes,
But how
and
is
in
it
a
now? How is
maybe
it? Okay.
yeah. For now it's good, but I need to practice more. My father has a car, but he said when you have your license, I'm going to give you the car. Okay, no, no, not give. Borrow the car. Borrow me.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, but I need to get my license. Probably in one month, I'm going to have my license.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So, like, how old in your country, Val? How old that you can get license? In my country, 18.
18.
Okay, in my country, Val, you can drive a car, you can drive motorcycle if you are 18. Okay, legally,
Yeah, yeah,
you can drive legally.
exactly. It's the same here, 18.
Because there are teenagers nowadays, Val, especially the one living in the provinces, they love to ride motorcycle, and it's so, 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 so very strong. Okay, so they don't have
Very
license.
strong
Eh,
and
Very fast,
dangerous.
very dangerous.
Very
Okay,
fast. Yes, no.
yes, of course, while they don't have license yet because they're still young, they cannot get the license, but they are not careful. Okay, so
Oh, so no, it's necessary get a license for drive a motorcycle.
there is supposed to be there is, but then
Yeah.
it's only for 18 years old. Okay, so if you're 18 years old, you can have or you can probably have your own motorcycle, probably drive your own motorcycle or drive your own car. Okay,
Okay.
by
Oh,
18. Okay, when you reach the age of 18, you can have that. You can do that. Okay?
okay. Yeah.
But helmet is mandatory in my country, Val. Okay, so it's like if you drive motorcycle, you need to put helmet. But there are people who are what they call that one hard-headed. They don't wear helmet even though they're traveling, and it's very dangerous.
It's
I
mandatory
see.
here too,
The
but the
same?
people don't respect that.
Yeah, the same in my country, Val. Okay, the same, really the same. Now, is hang gliding, Val, suitable for tourists and amateur?
Oh, it's very suitable. Yeah, it is, especially for tourists.
Mm-hmm.
For amateurs, it's okay, but for tourists, there are more interest in stream sports, especially in the places when there are a beach. There loves this.
Okay, yes. Now, actually, hang gliding, some of the tourists love adventure sports. So maybe this will work and this will totally let them enjoy.
Yeah, the purpose is enjoy it,
Mm-hmm.
and for amateurs is the purpose is learn more.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, so here now, what do you call it? Do you think archery is popular sports?
Not for me, no in my country, no it's popular here, but there are there are a tournament about the archery.
Yeah, there is. There is.
Mhm. And yeah, popular here. The most popular is football, soccer. Yeah, football. Football is the most popular. What more? Um, Basketball, no. Volleyball, no. Tennis, no. What more? Yeah, I think only football.
Okay, next one, Val. Mhm. So in my country, Val, archery is not that so famous. In my place, not that so famous. But actually, there is archery, but I guess because archery is one of the expensive sports, I guess, because the archery alone costs like what's 50,000? Okay, like in
Yeah,
dollar,
and
10,000
oh,
pesos.
and okay, and which is the most sport popular in Philippines?
I mean, again, come again, Val.
Oh yeah, which is the most popular sport in Philippines?
Basketball, Val. Basketball is everywhere. You can see people doing basketball everywhere, Val, as in everywhere. Like here, there's
Oh,
basketball,
volleyball,
and
no?
the other street, like, yeah,
Oh yeah,
common.
yeah, yeah. I
It's really
remember
common, Val.
he told me that when he was a teenager, he practiced basketball all the time.
Yes, that's it, because that's famous in my country.
What about
Okay,
the
because
spearfishing? No.
it's not that it's not that basketball is not that expensive one because you don't need to pay or you don't need to bring something that you need to buy. Okay. But yeah, basketball is very common. How about in your place, Val? In your
Where
country?
is the most? Yeah, okay. In my country, the most popular is soccer. It's football, football, soccer. Yeah, it's the
Mm.
most popular. Those people here prefer football instead of workout. I don't know why. But yeah, about the sports, they practice in Philippines. They practice spearfishing.
What is it, Val?
Okay, so my question is, in Philippines, the people practice the sport spearfishing or no?
Per what? Again, come again, sorry.
Spearfishing.
Or can you type it, Val?
Okay, yeah. I think this is the correct type.
Yeah, please.
Spearfishing.
Ah, per fishing.
No? This is proficient.
Like spearfishing is fishing using a handheld, elongated. And many enjoy this. You don't even have to go to the spearfishing is just like what you call it? In my country it's managa, okay? So why? Yeah, we have that one, but it's not sports in my country, Val.
Oh, yeah.
How about in
Okay,
your
okay.
country? Is it sports?
No, 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 no. I tell you this because Henry practiced this sport, spearfishing. Yeah, and he practiced before in Bohol. He practiced in sometimes in maybe
Ah,
near to, yeah, he
ah,
practiced this, and I suppose it's very common practice this sport in
it's
Bohol.
spearfishing, free diving.
It
Spearfishing,
is.
free diving should be synonymous as both involve breath. Okay, it's just like free diving. Okay, however,
Yeah.
fishing courses often focus on equipment and hunting techniques. If you are planning to pursue sport fishing as a sport, here are just some advantages you will gain from taking. It's free diving course. Free diving, sport fishing. I can see that sport fishing in the picture. I see that it's like Managa. It's like you're going to get a fish. It's just like free diving. Okay, so it is some sort of speech. Ah, in my country, spur fishing or the diving spots, because Bohol is an island, so we do have like this in Panglao. There were many foreigners who do this one. Okay, so mostly, yeah, they do this kind of sports or activity. It's not. It's in the Panglao Island. It's a small island wherein a lot of people coming there. Okay, so partly because this free diving. Okay, so this free diving. I just know it now, Val, the term of spur fishing. Okay, I know free diving, but I don't know they're just synonym.
Oh, yeah, yeah, it's a synonym. Oh, okay, okay,
Mm.
sorry. Yeah, yeah. I think the in my country, no, I've never see a person who practice this sport.
Really?
Uh, yeah, except genre, but yeah, I think I suppose it's expensive because the people no
Correct.
practice no, it's common, no, it's a sport, common sport.
Not
Yeah, I
common.
think for
Okay.
this,
Yes,
exactly.
expensive, I guess. Uh, um, in my as what I can remember in Panglao, okay, is if you will enroll in what they call that one in the free diving course like this, like roughly as what I know that I don't know how many sessions, like they said you can have 6,000 pesos.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Like it
6 months,
is,
oh yeah.
yeah, like it is $100, nearly
Oh, yeah,
$100.
yeah, yeah.
No, not $100 more, 120 for the whole
100.
durations. But I don't know how many sessions would it be. I really don't know. But I hear that one of my friend is trying to enroll this one. It's 6,000, 6,500, roughly 130 USD. Okay, this is actually expensive sports. Very expensive. Expensive one.
Very expensive. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh wow. So in my opinion, I think it's better for I no, I think that when you practice any sport in the water is perfect. It's
Yeah, it's
perfect for you. Eh,
beneficial. Okay, it's
yeah,
beneficial
a lot
to
of
have
benefits
this.
and uh-huh.
Like swimming, like swimming.
And yeah, I would like, but I in my place, in my city here, there's a swimming pool, but I don't know why, but I don't go.
Mm-mm.
I don't know. So I prefer the beach.
But of course, if you involved in any of the sports involved in the water, it is really beneficial. Okay, so your breathing, okay, you exercise your breathing, and then your body. they said it's very nice to swimming is a very nice sports. It is it can it, example you are what do you call it? Asthmatic. Do you know the word asthmatic?
What?
Val?
Do you know what?
Asthmatic.
Asthmatic? No. What is this? It's
This
maybe a
one.
sickness? No.
Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Asthmatic. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Asthmatic.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, it is advised that swimming is good sports for you if you are asthmatic. Really good sports for you.
Oh yeah, I think yeah, it's a good sport, especially in the water.
Especially in the water. Okay. So Val, let us move to the next our topic. So we are wait ha, I will wait, so I will not forget. Let us have this.
Okay.
Okay, let us answer Val, the one we left behind here. We are number 5, keeping up. Let us answer the get to know. Present perfect continuous. Okay, Val, can you see this one?
Yes, I can see.
Can you see Val?
Yes, yes, I can see.
Okay, so we have here
We,
Val.
we,
The last time we have this.
we talk about this topic,
Oh yeah, yeah,
present simple and
yeah.
present continuous. Yeah.
This is the last that we talk about, right? We already done
Yes.
with the simple and continuous tense, right? If you remember, we have present simple and
I
present
remember.
continuous. Yeah, so we are done with this topic. So I would just like to have a short review. So present simple, of course, it's regular and constant. It's habits, hobbies, routine, or the general tool. So when you see continuous tense, okay, this is the tense with ing form, with the ing form, right? With the ing form. Action in the process at the moment of speaking. While I am talking, the action is done. Okay, like action while I am talking. Okay, the moment I am speaking, action is done or is in the process. Like I am cooking dinner while Valerie is reading a book. Okay, that is in continuous, present continuous with ing. Okay, so now Val, let us move to number 5.
Okay, let's see. Explain how. Oh,
Okay, this one. We were going to talk first about present perfect continuous. Okay, so in the present perfect continuous, we have affirmative, negation, and question. Negation val is negative, like not. Affirmative, simple sentence, and question, of course, question. Okay, so the pattern val is I, we, you, they are
they.
plural. So we have to use have. Okay, remember, she, it, and everybody we use to do has. They are singular val. Okay, if it is plural, I mean, if it is negation or negative, you will say he hasn't, he has not. They haven't, they have not. If it's not, if it's in affirmative, that's simple. I have, we have, you have, they have. And he has, she has, like that. Okay? Okay, Bal?
Okay.
Plus the word
Okay.
been.
Understood.
Oh, don't worry. The been word. Okay? And the, okay, past tense, I know. It's verb plus the ing. Like, I have been fixing my car. Okay? I have been fixing my car. Okay, so my car is the object, the last object. Okay, so this is the pattern of the present perfect continuous. Has been reading, have been reading, has been playing, have been playing. Okay, so these are
Okay.
the pattern. Okay, how about the questions? Questions, first Val, we have to start with have and has. Only reverse Val. We only reverse this one. Like, have we been looking back? Okay. Has he been dialing the phone? Oh, you have to start with have and has because this
Has.
is in the question form. Okay.
Okay.
So the time markers val for present perfect continuous. Remember how present has and have. No other verb. Okay. You cannot say was or where or had. It's present continuous. Okay. The time markers for present continuous val are for and since. Okay. We have for and since. Okay, example, can you please read number 1?
Okay. They've been fixing her cell phone for ages.
They have been
They have
fixing.
been. They
Mhm.
can have a represent in the simple present, right? Okay,
Yes, yes.
present continuous. Yeah.
Yes, correct. Siobhan.
Number 2. Yeah, I read the number 2.
Yes, Val, please.
Okay. I'm worried. I have been dialing. Dialing is okay.
Yeah, I have been dialing.
I have been dialing his number
Yeah.
all day, but there is no reply.
This is in the present perfect continuous again. I have been. Okay, next one. He hasn't been rehearsing for more than a month. Okay, this is a negation, negative. He has not. Okay, now
Okay.
for more than a month. Remember, Val, in the present continuous, we have time markers, the for and since. Okay, please take note of
For
that.
instance.
Okay, and the question, Val, have they been keeping in touch since they were children? Look at this. Have they? Okay,
Yeah,
plural.
have they.
Have they? Okay, next one. Molly, singular val, has been looking back
Okay, has been looking
all
really not
day long.
long.
It means for the whole day. For the whole day. Okay, last
Okay.
one, please read Val.
My friends haven't been keeping in touch for a year already.
Hmm. So you can see negations.
Yeah, it's
Friends.
negation.
Friends, plural. So you have to use
My
have or
friends, yes.
haven't. Hmm.
Okay.
So you
Um,
understand the pattern, Val? You understand the verb
yeah,
formations?
understood. Yes. Okay. So can you um up? Can
Up,
you
up,
show me
okay.
up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to take a photo. Okay. Yeah, it's ready. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Okay. So Val, let us do the practice.
Yeah. It's done. I have been looking. Have been looking.
Hmm?
Have been looking. Number 2.
Correct.
Yeah.
Because I can.
Exactly. Yes. The repairer hadn't been fixing the pips for 3 hours. He has been sitting and chatting with my granny. Okay, he has been hadn't. I think it's hasn't, no hadn't,
Mm-hmm.
or haven't,
We
haven't
will
been.
change.
Yeah, I think it's hasn't or haven't. I don't know.
Repairer.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
correct. Hasn't
Yeah,
because repairer is only
has.
one. Singular.
Oh yeah.
But this one is okay, as you can see, for. Okay, and has been. Okay, correct one. Next one.
Okay. My granny have to learn. to learn to move the courses. Have been learning.
Running. Running is singular.
Okay, so my Ronnie has been learning.
Oh, sorry.
Has been has been learning.
Let's check. Okay, correct. Okay, running is
Correct.
singular. Next one, Val.
Okay, they has been allowing has been allowing.
They, plural.
Plural is have. Oh yeah, I think it's have allowed. The number
Let's
one.
check. They have allowed. Okay, have allowed tomorrow. Okay, to do everything he wants since he was little kid. So this is in the, okay, what is this? Past tense. Okay,
Past tense.
so they have allowed Mark to do everything he wants since he was a little kid. Okay,
When
next.
yes, and when it's in the past, I only need to put have in the next verb in the past, but no being allowing, right?
Yes, yes. Because this is not the present continuous. Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Then we have has been making has.
Because Tony is singular. Oh, sorry. This is question. Oh, I forgot. Your answer is correct.
Yeah,
But this is question.
I couldn't see the
Yeah,
question mark.
even me. I didn't see the questions. Ask Tony. Your answer is correct, but you tried to reverse because it's question. Okay, next one. The kids.
It's the kids have been playing. Okay, un momento. Have played. Things have played. Oh my god.
Have been
Have been
playing.
played.
Oh, okay. Okay. So look at this one. The kids have been playing since the very moment their father allowed
Oh,
them. Okay. So you
yeah.
can see this is already past tense, and so you have to use present tense. I mean, you have to
Press.
use not present, present perfect continuous here.
Continuous.
Okay. Present perfect continuous. You have already allowed him. In the past, if you remember, you said we had allowed. Okay? Was
Okay.
have allowed. You remember have allowed? Because
Have a
the
yeah.
next verb
It was
here,
in past.
okay, the next verb here is present. They have allowed because the next verb here is present. But this one, they have been playing video games since the very moment their father allowed. This is already in the past. So you have to use this as present perfect continuous. Okay. Okay, don't worry,
Okay.
Val. We can make a lot of like this in the future. Many, Val. So you can compare. You will be master with this. Okay,
Oh.
this is the, yeah, this is the start now, Val. We are entering continuous tenses.
Oh yeah. I would like to learn. Maybe practice more. Yeah, but
Yeah,
okay. For
it's
now,
okay,
it's
Val. Okay.
uh,
I asked Jenry, so when will we, until when you will gonna learn English with me? Like the time frame, 1 month, 2 months. And then he said, oh, until you will learn. Until your English will become okay. So, and I told him that we try to integrate grammar also because it is needed for you. As you go on speaking, you have to learn grammar.
speaking and listening. I have a terrible problem with listening, and sometimes
Mm-mm.
I confuse
Yeah,
always.
okay. Listening is very, very hard also. Okay, when you will gonna take IELTS, one of the hardest is listening in the IELTS. Okay? So,
Okay.
okay, don't worry. Oh, I forgot, Val, sorry. I also forgot
Um,
to integrate listening. Okay, don't worry. We're gonna integrate listening too. I really forgot about that. Okay. Next one, Val.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, okay, we have been. We have been.
Oh, sorry, it's wrong.
Oh, I think it's we have known.
Mm.
Yeah. We have known the fascinating, fascinating. Number one.
Wrong.
Oh my God. We have known this. It's fascinating. This fascinating. Lady. Listen almost. Lady since almost. Oh
Mm.
my God. Yeah, lady for almost. Uh, 10 years. Number two.
Okay. We have known this fascinating lady for almost 10 years.
10
Okay.
years. Okay.
One.
Yeah. I have bet he. Yeah, the number two. I have bet he.
Or wrong.
Oh my. Mm, I bet he.
Okay, that's correct.
Number three. Yes. I bet has he has uh my God. I think the number one or number three
Correct.
has been smart. Yeah, has been smart since
Mm.
since his childhood.
Correct, Val. Correct. This one. Oh my God, so many like this.
Mhm. Okay. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? When my phone. Oh
Oh,
my God.
wrong,
So
Val.
I think since my phone,
Mm.
since my phone, has gone dead, has gone dead. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Since has gone dead.
Oh,
Yes. No. Um. When is dead?
oh, the answer, Val, is went dead.
When
Since
dead?
my
Yes.
phone went dead.
When dead. Haven't been. Oh my God. However, since my phone went dead, I haven't been.
Mm,
I haven't been uh, post. Yeah, number three.
wrong.
Three. Yeah, three. I told you three.
Oh, sorry.
No, then
I haven't
I
been
haven't been
posting.
posting.
Present perfect continuous.
Continuous. Okay. I haven't been posting everything.
Oh.
No, or something, anything.
Okay, Val, go, Val.
Sorry, sorry.
Okay. It's okay, Val. Okay, next one. Okay.
Okay. He has been admired his explosive, fascinating temper since he turned 18. Okay, everybody has been. I think as everybody have been or is has. Is plural?
Pass. What do you think? Okay, turned. He said since he turned 18. So what is has been admired, has been admiring.
Admiring.
And let us check.
Admiring, yes.
Oh, has admired Val. Okay.
Have been.
Everybody has admired his explosive, fascinating temper since he turned 18. Okay. Everybody has admired. Okay. So it means there's only one action. Okay. But I wonder, Val, sorry, ha? Everybody since he turned 18. Okay. So there is two action that happened admired and he turned. So supposed to be bold, the answer is everybody has been admiring. Okay, because this is already
In the
past
past.
tense. Okay,
Mhm.
so of course we will going to have this in the present perfect continuous, like the past example, like the one has allowed present has been playing unallowed present continuous. So your answer is correct. Okay, sometimes Val, okay. So sometimes Val, in this area, in this lesson, there are also like clerical error. There's also a clerical error that we need to see. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So this is correct. Okay,
I
next.
see. Okay.
Oh, 13
Thank you.
over 20. Okay,
I'm
that's
I have more
better.
knowledge.
Ah,
Okay. Uh, okay, and thank you so much. So, by the
yeah.
way, for now I need to leave
Mm-mm.
the meeting because I need to go to see my niece in the kindergarten.
Ah, okay. So yeah, it's okay, Val. Okay,
Yeah.
actually it's time already. Thank you so much, Val, for today.
Thank you so
Okay,
much, and
and I will see you on Saturday. Okay?
Saturday. Okay, yeah, and we are in touch.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for today. God bless,
Take
Val.
care. Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.